Hi, this is Martin, and in the following video I want to show you a short demo of our newly made Xournal++ HTR online demo. This online demo allows you to play around with Xournal++ HTR to transcribe your handwritten texts without any installation. It's a simple 4-step process. First, we select the file that we want to transcribe. Second, we display the file just to confirm that it's the file that we want to transcribe. Third, and that's the most important step, we compute the handwritten transcriptions. That might take a second depending on how long your document is. And lastly, we want to download the file and therefore press the corresponding button. After downloading the file, we can confirm that the texts have been found and transcribed, for example here, written with touchpad. Here you can see that the transcription is not yet perfect, and because of that, and improve the system over time, we're kindly asking you, if you can, to donate your data. The process of using the demo while donating your data is exactly the same. You have the 4 buttons, with the only difference that you would have to press the donate data button. This donate data button will then copy the file that you upload into our dataset, which we use in order to improve our machine learning models. The dataset will be released in the public domain, completely open source, so that everyone can benefit from it. With that, thank you very much, have fun with the demo, and bye-bye.